Wanja na uria ni mutumia gatagati kaingi aria merutagira na gutigirira ati ni maiheana uteithio wao na njira nene na makiria kuri atumia aria matari na uhoti wa kugia ciana na njira ya gutigirira ati ni amakuira nda ciao. Ataririe herutaire gutigirira ni ambia wira uyu na makiria kuma kana akianjiriria na gukuira nda mwari wa ithe munini na uria utari na uhoti wa gukua kana kugia ciana ta uria mumbi wa munyeriara tutariria.
Leah Wanja ni mutumia wa miaka 30 na uria ni munene wa kambuni ya thondeki wa nguo iria thondekire miaka 4 mihituku. Mwaka-ini wa 2021 Wanja ni ageire na giathi na mwari wa ithe uria wokite na muthuri wake. Andu aya ni mamuririe kiuria hihi kingiari na urito hari Wanja gucokia. Andu aya ri makiuria Wanja kana ni egwitikira kumaciarira mwana ni tondu mwari wa ithe ndari na uhoti wa kugia mwana. Kumana na kiuria giki Wanja agitukanirwo na akimahoya mamuhe kahinda ka miaka 2 ecirie uhoro.
I'm 30 years old and I do interior design by profession. I got inspired by a family friend who didn't get a kid. Me, I'm a mother. I have a 9-year-old son, and it was a very close family friend. And she was very desperate, getting to age day by day, years passed on, and she's getting to almost 40 years old and above, and shouldn't get her kid. But now by the time she was requesting us as a family, so she came to our family like family friend, because I'd just given birth and she wanted my baby. She came and talked to my mom, because me, I was young. I gave birth at 21 years, and when I gave birth, of course I was still a young girl. I left my baby with my mom, and when I was in Nairobi hustling, my mom gave me that weird call and told me, mtoto ako sawa lakini neza taka upatane na muongee.
Riu Wanja ni ahete andu aya mwihoko na njira ya kumerera kumaciarira mwana na kuingira gikundi-ini kia atumia aria merutagira kugira aru nao aria matari na uhoti wa kugia ciana. Atumia ta Wanja marihagia ciringi milioni 2 o rita ria kugia mwana.
Really concerned about the society, more especially mwanamke mwenye hawezi kupata mtoto. Because for us, it's very easy, unaweza pata tu mtoto anytime, and there's someone else out there who is struggling, and we wouldn't want to be like ati mtu anazeeka na hana mtoto. So me, I'm really concerned, especially for the women who don't have kids out here, and they really want to have their own kids. I'm really concerned. I wouldn't mind helping.
Ndagitari wa mirimo ya atumia thibitari-ini wa Nekta kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, ndagitari Anondi ni atariirie mutaratara uyu wa ukuaniri wa nda wambagiriria na kurutwa kwa itumbi ria uciari kuma kwi mutumia uyu uria utari na uhoti wa gukua nda rigatwarwo thiini wa ceceni ya githimiro niyo Rabu rigaciarithanio na mbegu ya muthuri wake na muico embryo ikahagikwo thiini wa nda ya uria uramakuira mwana.
What we do is we take a mature egg out of the body through a process, and we also get a mature sperm out of the man, and then mix them somewhere. And once the embryo starts developing, we then transfer the developing embryo into the uterus so that it develops. So therefore, those who are eligible for IVF basically are those people with issues with their tubes. The tubes are blocked.
Wakiri Dorcas Nyambura nugite hindi ya gutwithania cira ta uyu magoti-ini ni kugiaga na ngucanio gatagati ka miena ino iri ni anu ukwandikithio ri muciari wa mwana na uguo akauga he bata thirikari ikira mawatho ma mithemba ta ino.
So it has been and then when you go to enforce such a contract in court, largely very unregulated, very unfair for the commissioning parents.
Mutongoria wa mirimo ya uciari kaunti-ini ya Nakuru Martin Runaro augite watho uyu ni ubatie gutariria ukuaniria uyu ni ubatie gukorwo ni wa kwirutira ta mundu kiumbe no ti biashara na mukuwirwo na mwana matikanikwo king'ang'a-ini.
So I believe that it's good that in such circumstances, as long as people are willing, as long as it's consensual, people give their consent, people agree, and they are willing to sign as per the legalities of having it done. for me, I think it's something that we can still appreciate.
Naine wake muthikabu agathoreki ya Holy Spirit mwena wa Girigiri Clement Karathi niokereire mutaratara uyu na kiria arauga ni wagarari ihoto cia ciana na ti mwandike thiini wa buku theru. Ugi uyu ni unyitetwo mbaru ni Sheikh wa muthigiti wa Imam Gibe Abdul kuria augite o ni mugaro na witikio wa Gĩithĩramu.
It is immoral. It is a sin. For the same reasons which led one to reject heterologous artificial fertilization. For it is contrary to the unity of marriage.
Uislam surrogacy inakata.
Handu-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV itagwo Mũmbi wa Munyere.
Haya nĩ kũrĩ maũndũ na hĩ ngatho cia mwanya ũndũ gwĩtwo ti Mũmbi wa Munyere nĩ riboti ya mwanya. Haya na tũgĩthiĩ rĩu na mbere na riboti ingĩ itiganĩte. Haya tumĩrũ mwena ũcio